MCA maward Madela e kaunti ma Wajir Yusuf Hussein Ahmed manolal dwe mar 9 higa mokalo gikone to oyudi kendo ochwale osiptal ma Nairobi mondo mi onon chal mar ngimane. Nodong' mana ndalo 4 kende to thuolono mar bedo e apisi kaka MCA rumo ma en kaluwore gi pend chik mapacho kama yango ni MCA ko bedo ni onge apisi kuom thuolo ma dwe 6 ka dweche 6 ma onge rusa to thuolo mar bedo MCA rumo. Jotelo mawuok e gwenge manyandwat kotelne gi Senator Mamandera Ali Roba onyiso mor margi kuom maneno MCA no ka bende giseo ndicho ma osebedo katimore thurka. MCA no yangore ni nondi tarik 13 dwe mar 9 higa mokalo e wang' apaya ma Enterprise Road alwora ma Industrial Area Nairobi.
By unknown people who are masked. You are also aware that he's not the only one who has also been missing or abducted. Another prominent elder called Mzee Omar Mohammed Nur alias Mzee Dua has also been released, has also been dumped in Isiolo this morning. And I want to appeal to the leadership, wherever they are, to come together and bring to an end this phenomenon. It only damages our national reputation.
The ones that dropped him back and the ones who picked him from the streets 6 months ago are believed to have been state agencies. And if anybody is found culpable or is capable of any wrongdoing or suspected of any wrongdoing, there is no harm in processing the individual in line with the requirements of the law.
Myself, I've cried in public, I've cried in private just to find the MCA, the whereabouts of the MCA as we find